Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Moral Science, Class 5. Dear children, in the previous session, I have posted the explanation of Lesson 3, Teacher, the Torchbearer, and the question answers along with it. We have completed the chapter. Hope you all have gone through the link and done the question answer, the fill in the blanks and all in copy. Today in this session we will start chapter 4, Sound of Silence. Dear children, open page number 19. So, the students, the Lord has given us many gifts. The 6 senses: we can see, we can feel, we can touch, taste, hear. But children, we take all the gifts given by God as granted. We can see the world around us, we can see the nature, we can taste good food. But did you ever thought what will happen if even one of these gifts would have been taken from you? You will not be able to do things properly or normally. If you don't believe me, just blindfold yourself for half a day. You won't be able to do things you normally do. Or try to spend a day without speaking. Yes, there are people who cannot speak. Dear children, if a person cannot speak, it is called vocally challenged. And if a person can't see, are called visually challenged. Now, here we will read a story titled as Sound of Silence, in which we will be knowing about a boy, Abhishek, and how he learnt that the gift he had got was precious. Abhishek was a human being just like all of us. One day, his younger brother broke his aeroplane, which he had made by himself, and the parents did not punish him. So Abhishek got angry and left the house. He did not talk to either of his parents or younger brother and ran outside. While he was walking on the footpath, he saw a boy of his own age. A truck was about to hit him. The driver was blowing the horn, but the child did not hear. Just then, in time, Abhishek pulled the boy onto the footpath. The boy joined his hands as he was saying thank you and pointed at his tongue and ear, indicating that he could not speak or hear. Dear children, in this session we will do this page, and rest of the chapter we will do in the next session. Go through the chapter well that I have taught till today, and go through the word meanings also given at the end of the chapter, that I will explain it later. The word impaired means damaged. Scholarship, it's a award or money towards education. Confesses, declare one's sins. Appreciate, to recognize the good qualities of somebody, something. Challenge, unable to do something without difficulty because of being disabled in some way. Dear children, we will go through the rest of the story in the next session. Till then, thank you.